Wait for Dustin. He'll say, go, go, go. Oh, knock your glass off.
Try it again. Yeah, not yet. Wait for the go sign. Wow! One more, Dustin. See the car. Okay, here.
Mom! Mommy.
See the car? Yeah, we will take a video with the car. Ready? Okay. Click it, click it. Ready na. Go! Di na win?